Yo, what up? Nighted One here. So I got the urge and decided to go buy a box of 08 SP Legendary Cuts because I've never opened 09 SP Legendary Cuts, and I've never opened this before, so I figured I'd give it a shot. You get a few more chances at a cut out of here than I think you do out of 08, and you know, I figured I'd see what I could get, if anything. Hopefully it's not all jerseys. And maybe I'll get lucky and get a cut. Who knows? So we got what, 12 packs, 5 cards per pack. Let's just get going. See what I get. And pack filler, trash. No one special in that pack. Pack filler, nothing special there. Pack filler, nothing there. Starting off the right way. Absolutely nothing but base. Always fun. Alright, we got a Maglio Ordonez jersey card. Doesn't look like it's numbered. And some more base cards. Pujols base. Hard to see the names sometimes. So far, just one jersey. Looks like I got something in here. A dual jersey. Carl Yastrzemski and Jacob Ellsbury. Dual jersey. Not bad. I can deal with that. Get a nice Hall of Famer jersey card. And it looks like a numbered card of Dennis Oil Can Boyd. Numbered out of 550. So that was actually 6 cards in that pack. Not too bad, not too bad. So far, one Ordonez jersey and one Yastrzemski Ellsbury jersey. And now we got a Lou Brock jersey numbered out of 75. That's so off-centered if that's the case. God, I hope that's not the case. I don't know if you guys can see that centering, but it's like way down at the bottom. And on the back it's not much better. I hope that's not centering. Otherwise, that's really, really, really low quality from Upper Deck. So I've got 3 jerseys so far. No cuts. 1 numbered card. Oh, I got a cut. Clete Boyer, number 2 of 42, for the Yankees. Check that out. I got a cut. It's actually off a card. It looks like. Oh, that's funny. That's cool. I got a cut. I'm happy with that. I didn't think I'd get a cut. And another numbered card of Phil Niekro, numbered out of 550. Sweet. Cut auto. I was debating on whether or not I'd even post this video if I didn't get a cut, and I got a cut, so I guess I have to put up the video. And last jersey is Carlos Zambrano, Destination Stardom, not numbered. And the last pack will probably have nothing in it but base. Yep, base. That's it. I guess that's about it. So 4 jerseys and a cut auto. Number 2 of 42. I don't even, Clete Boyer, I've never heard of him. 5 consecutive World Series, 1960 through 64, and won titles in 61 and 62. Gold Glove Award winner in 1969. Cool. Well, I guess that's about it. Peace.